Hello everyone! We keep improving and professionalizing Penpot step by step. If you are building serious design systems in Penpot, this one is for you. Design token improvements and also design tokens inside the plugins API. This will give you superpowers and quality of life tweaks that make big files feel less junky. So let's get into it. In 2.14, you can now rename a token and optionally remap all its references, meaning aliases stay intact, applied tokens update, libraries propagate properly, and main components update child components. This solves one of the most painful moments in token workflows. Token names are never short. Color, background, primary, hover, dark. It's meaningful, it's structured, and it's good practice, but browsing that, absolute pain. So we introduced token groups. Now everything before the last segment becomes collapsible groups, and only the final segment stays as that familiar token pile. And when you create a new token, Penpot auto unfolds the path so you can actually see it, no digging around like an archaeologist. Design tokens are now available in the plugins API, which means you can finally manipulate tokens programmatically. Generate them, sync them, transform them, connect them to external tools, even pipe them throughout AI workflows or MCP clients. If you are building internal tooling around Penpot, this has been requested a lot. Let's see two examples. The first one is clearly that we can now develop plugins with features built around design tokens. For example, here we have a plugin that makes it easier to manage and visualize tokens, as well as create sets and different types of tokens. So we can extend the functionality Penpot already offers, or even build new actions on top of what's already here. It's incredibly useful. The second example is, of course, using your favorite AI client in Penpot connected via MCP server. This way, we can ask the AI things like extract the necessary tokens from my Penpot design to create my design token system and store in Penpot. Color, spacing, typography, and we put it to work. As you can see, the agent connects with Penpot, understands everything it needs to know about design tokens thanks to its connection with the plugin API, and gets right to work. I have speeded up the response a bit for the video. We can see how it now not only created the tokens with a great naming conventions, but because I asked it to it also applied them directly to the elements in my design, which is a massive time saver. Sidebar performance. We are improving how the shape list loads, focusing on lazy loading to prevent UI stalls. So when your file gets massive, which it will, things don't get freeze when you hover or click around. So that's 2.14. If you are working with tokens, and you should be, this update makes your life easier. Don't forget, our MCP server beta test is up and running. Check out the description for more information. Please, if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and do all the algorithm things. And comment below, what would you automate now that tokens are in the API? I'm curious about that. See you in the next one.